Welcome to this video on applications of business analysis in different industries. After watching this video, you will be able to discuss how business analysis is applied in various industries and identify key business analysis practices across these industries. You will also be able to evaluate the outcomes generated by applying key business analysis practices for the given industries. Ever wondered how organizations tackle complex challenges and turn them into opportunities for success? By examining scenarios across various industries, businesses can gain insights into how a structured approach transforms challenges into opportunities. By analyzing such scenarios, businesses can further demonstrate the critical role of business analysis in driving innovation, solving complex problems, and achieving strategic objectives. Let's explore scenarios demonstrating real-life examples to understand how business analysis serves as a key factor in organizational success. Imagine a leading retail bank struggling to retain its customers due to outdated processes and a lack of personalized services. Customer satisfaction scores were dropping, and competitors were enticing the customers with more innovative offerings. Faced with these challenges, the bank needed a strategic business analysis approach to reverse the trend and retain its customer base. To tackle this issue, the bank enlisted a team of business analysts to investigate the customer experience thoroughly. They began by reviewing customer interactions and gathering feedback to identify pain points. For example, slow response times, limited service channels, and the absence of personalized product offerings. Using tools like customer journey mapping and data analysis, the analysts pinpointed specific areas for improvement. Collaborating with stakeholders across the organization, they proposed implementing a customer relationship management, or CRM system, integrated with data analytics. With the CRM system in place, the bank was able to offer personalized services based on customer data, such as targeted financial products and proactive communication. This led to a significant increase in customer satisfaction scores and a noticeable reduction in customer churn within the first year of implementation. The structured business analysis approach not only helped the bank retain its customers, but also positioned it as a more customer-centric organization in the competitive retail banking sector. Next, let's take the case of a global manufacturing company that was struggling with inefficiencies in its supply chain operations. These inefficiencies resulted in production delays, high inventory costs, and frequent stockouts. The company's complex supply chain network, which involved multiple suppliers and distributors, posed significant challenges in coordination and inventory management. To address these issues, the company turned to business analysis, which assessed the entire supply chain from raw material procurement to product delivery. The business analysts conducted workshops with stakeholders, mapped out the current supply chain process, and identified key bottlenecks. Using the process modeling tools, the analysts proposed several improvements. These included implementing an advanced inventory management system, adopting just-in-time or JIT inventory practices, and enhancing integration with suppliers through electronic data interchange, or EDI. The initiatives led by business analysts reduced inventory costs and improved order fulfillment considerably. The adoption of JIT practices minimized waste and reduced storage costs, while EDI integration improved communication with suppliers, leading to more efficient replenishment cycles. These improvements not only enhanced operational efficiency, but also provided the company with a competitive edge in a highly demanding market. Let's take another scenario, where a large healthcare provider set out to digitize its patient records and streamline its administrative processes to improve patient care and reduce operational costs. The existing paper-based system was prone to errors, delays, and inefficiencies, negatively impacting patient outcomes and staff productivity. To overcome these challenges, the healthcare provider initiated a digital transformation with business analysts leading the effort. The business analysts conducted a thorough assessment of the current state, identifying key areas where digitization would have the most impact. They gathered requirements from various stakeholders, including doctors, nurses, administrative staff, and IT personnel. Based on their findings, the business analysts recommended implementing an electronic health records, or EHR system, supported by a robust data security framework to protect patient information. The EHR system dramatically improved the quality of patient care by enabling medical staff to access patient records more quickly and accurately, reducing the risk of treatment errors. The digitization efforts also optimized administrative processes, cutting down on paperwork and allowing staff to focus on more essential tasks. As a result, the healthcare provider reported a significant reduction in administrative costs and an improvement in patient satisfaction scores. Lastly, imagine a scenario in which a financial service firm faced significant challenges in making informed investment decisions due to the lack of a centralized data analytics platform. The firm's decision makers relied on disparate data sources, leading to inconsistencies and delays in the investment process. To resolve these issues, the firm turned to business analysts to design a solution that would centralize data and provide real-time analytics. The business analysts performed a gap analysis to uncover the limitations of the existing systems and collaborated closely with stakeholders to gather requirements for a new data analytics platform. The proposed solution involved implementing a business intelligence or BI platform that integrated data from various sources, including market data, customer portfolios, and financial reports. The platform also included advanced analytics capabilities, such as predictive modeling and scenario analysis. The implementation of the BI platform significantly enhanced the firm's decision-making capabilities. Decision-makers gained access to real-time data and could perform complex analysis, leading to more informed investment decisions. As a result, the firm reported a significant increase in investment returns and a substantial reduction in decision-making time. In this video, you explored the importance of reviewing scenarios from varied industries to understand the impact of business analysis. You examined 4 different scenarios: a retail bank improving customer retention by modernizing processes, a manufacturing firm enhancing supply chain efficiency, reducing costs and delays, a healthcare provider digitizing patient records, improving patient care and reducing errors, a financial services firm streamlining operations, boosting productivity and profitability. Each scenario demonstrated how targeted business analysis drives significant positive outcomes.